and welcome to this video presentation. This video will present to you the results from our investigation on our investigative report that was done in our campus. But before I further move on, I will introduce to you our campus and where it's located. Derrick campus is one of the FNU campuses hosting many engineering programs. It is located at Samabula and it has a total number of 3,000 plus students from the Pacific Islands and Fiji itself. And it provides programs such as bachelor, certificate, diplomas, and honors. And all these programs has their duration time. It all depends on the courses for each program. But however, our investigation will focus mainly on the occupational health and safety within the campus. So in our investigation, we have came up with 5 areas or points, and the first one is the no proper storage for all unused materials, insufficient safety warnings, poor drainage system, and finally, damaged electrical components. And for those points that we have investigated, each of us or each group member will further explain or talk on that. Thank you.
According to the investigation done, the first issue that was identified was there was no proper storage for old and unused materials. Unused materials, old chairs and tables, they were not stored properly. Instead, they were kept in piles, either beside renovated buildings or towards the back of the campus. For example, consider the piles of old tables and chairs beside MB Hall and even the school workshop. People may get injured from broken glasses, off-cut irons and timbers, and also unplugged nails from timbers. If those materials they are not stored properly, they can become breeding sites to mosquitoes, which can result in other health issues. In order to address this issue, there must be a proper storage for old and unused materials here at Derrick campus to ensure health and safety.
Our second point that we discover, I just like to elaborate on safety signs and warning. Safety signs and warning is really important in our campus. If you look around, you will discover all materials were unused and all machineries were located. The area there is no safety signs and warning, so that people will understand. It really needs safety signs and warning. If not, it will cause danger to the people while moving around. And I just appeal to the school administration, they should consider that it will cause danger to the student or even the staff.
Thirdly, one of the issues we found during our investigation on occupational health and safety in the Derrick campus is poor drainage system. As you can see on the picture, poor drainage systems create motionless pool, or in other words, stagnant pool that provide breeding sites for diseases. One common example of diseases that caused by poor drainage system in Derrick campus, even in and around Fiji, is malaria and dengue that caused by mosquitoes bite. Another issue we found that caused by poor drainage system is irrigation. Irrigation is a round of water that can flow within the campus during heavy rain seasons. Furthermore, to improve poor drainage system, especially in Derrick campus of FNU, I would like to recommend that Derrick campus administration to take an initiative responsibility to look for a qualified and expert engineer to design and construct a proper drainage system to make sure that water flows away quickly and smoothly and is disposed of in a savage water course or a soak away.
Finally, damaged electrical components. This was the last area which we have investigated, and it was mainly focused on the damaged electrical components found in the campus. Therefore, during our investigation, we have found that there are electrical faults in the classroom, library, and underground cables. Having these electrical failures risks the life of us, both students and staffs. For instance, here is a electrical switch which is hanging on the wall, and there is no warning sign over it. This can shock anybody at any time accidentally. Furthermore, it is very dangerous if the cables caught fire and then the whole campus will burn down. And if this happens, it would cause a problem for all of us who are benefiting from this campus. Therefore, this issue must be addressed immediately as soon as possible. The damaged switches and cables must be replaced or put warning signs over them. But it is more safer if they should be replaced. In summary, presented is the findings to the investigation done. The findings were as follows: no proper storage for old and unused materials, insufficient security warnings, no proper drainage system, and damaged electrical components. And that's all for this presentation. Thank you. Hope you enjoy watching it.